Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back to JPAR Maryland Living Monthly Market Update. We're going to be reviewing the numbers from September 2020. Again, it's Greg Fisk, Principal Broker here at JPAR Maryland Living. So I'm just going to run through the numbers for you guys. We'll start off with the statewide numbers, and we'll kind of drill down on the Baltimore metropolitan market and area, and then we'll finish with Arundel County, where our office is located here in Arnold Station. All right, let's talk real quick just about the Maryland numbers statewide. We have kind of the same story we've been talking about, but we're noticing a slightly different trend pattern this month, so we'll talk about that as well. Inventory for Maryland is at 1.4 months, current inventory, and that's down year over year. 3.5 months, same month last year, 2019. Days on market, we're currently sitting at 8 days on market before contract offer and acceptance, down from 24 days a year ago. And the Maryland median price, which was a pretty good number as opposed to eliminates those outliers, is at $340,000 for the Maryland mean sold price for homes, and that is up a little over 10% from 308 last year, same time. And as you can see, if we take a look here at the screenshot in front of us from the Baltimore metropolitan area from September 2020, we're looking a little bit of the same kind of numbers. Maryland's the median sold sales price for Baltimore metro area is at $320,000, and again, that is up year over year, September 2019, a little over 11% in this case, although it is down from the previous month. Median sale price per square foot, $169. Median days on market, $9 for the Baltimore metropolitan area. And again, that is down from a month ago by 1 day, and year over year by 18 days. So 27 days on market last year. So pretty much the same story as the statewide numbers. Months of supply, 1.37 is what we are sitting on for the Baltimore metropolitan area. Let's switch over to some of our numbers from Arundel County, and we'll talk a little bit about maybe some of those trend lines starting to course correct a little bit. Let me talk about supply and demand, and you can see where our trend line has been going back all the way since October of last year. And we have currently sit at 1.15 months supply for Arundel County, and that's a change of, it's down 62% from year over year. But you can see where we were at 1.12 the month of August for 2020. So we may be seeing an uptick a little bit in some inventory levels. Hopefully we are seeing that. That would help out our buyers right now. Pricing trends. And again, see a little bit more of that trend line, and comes a little bit more inventory. Our median sold sales price for Arundel County is at $391,500. Still up about 12% from last year. However, we see just a slight downturn from August of 2020. Pricing ratios, you would expect to see the same. We're still at 100%. Again, a reflection of that super low inventory, strong sellers market. We still have robust buyer pool out there with the interest rates being where they're at. So that is something to keep an eye on. Days on market, same story, 9 days. So we're seeing that hold steady. What will really be interesting is to see what our September or our October numbers come in at. And we'll be able to see if this was just a blip, seasonal correction, or if we're starting to see some new trend lines and patterns. So we'll see. Price per square foot, the median sold price per square foot for Arundel County, $195, and that's up a little over 7% from year over year. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. Again, so the story's still somewhat similar. We're still very low inventory rates or levels. It's a very strong sellers market. Our rates have managed to stay low. Let's take a quick peek here at what we're looking at for our fixed rates. You can see that our rates are still very, very low. We're around 3% on that 30-year fixed rate. You can see where our trend line was for rates. So that's still encouraging buyers. The money pool is still very good out there for buyers, and it's a huge incentive for buyers in our market to be out there shopping. Looks like we got a slight uptick in inventory, which we've been waiting for. Hopefully another bump in inventory for October. Give our buyers a little bit more choices in the marketplace. Very still competitive market. So make sure you're contacting your local lender, or one of our preferred lenders here at JPAR Maryland Living. We'll put you in touch with them, and they can kind of shore up that financing end of things so that your offers are competitive. If you're working with an agent here at the office, come in for a consultation, free, no obligation consultation. We can walk you through what that process looks like from beginning to end. And again, as always, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments section below, or give us a ring here at JPAR Maryland Living, 410-260-0202. And until next time, I wish you guys, stay safe. And if you have any questions, give us a shout. Talk to you later, guys.